Okay, so yeah. Today I want to be telling you about our friend Marilyn Manson. That's him. Got a closer look. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, whatever. So Marilyn Manson, he's a heavy metal icon. I don't understand why people hate him. He's a really, really awesome guy. Yeah. He rocks, and I hate all the people who hate him. I love his songs, and I love him for who he is because he does what he wants to do, and you know, he doesn't have any fear. This guy rocks. So I don't really understand why people hate him. Marilyn Manson is awesome, and so this guy had a really tough childhood, and yeah, he's a little screwed up now. I don't know why, but that's how I like him. Marilyn Manson is Marilyn Manson, and he won't ever change. No, he won't ever change. And so yeah. So to all the haters out there, stop hating him, cause he's awesome. This one's yeah. Crap. Oh shit. Marilyn Manson. Just so you know, he's a guy.